Albuquerque has issued an urban and small stream flood advisory for central San Juan County in northwestern New Mexico until 11 a.m. At 10:05 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms around Farmington. Between 1/2 inch and 3/4 of an inch of rain fell quickly in the area from the San Juan Regional Medical Center northeast to the Farmington Recreation Center. Street flooding is likely in parts of this area along with high flows in ditches and around low water crossings. Heavy rain may also impact other areas surrounding Farmington. Locations impacted include Farmington. Other locations affected include Inns Recreation Area and Head Canyon Recreation Area. Repeating, a flood advisory has been issued until 11 a.m. for the following county, San Juan, New Mexico. The National Weather Service in Albuquerque has issued an arroyo and small stream flood advisory for northwestern Rio Arriba County in north-central New Mexico, northeastern San Juan County in northwestern New Mexico, until 12:15 p.m. at 10:38 a.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms moving quickly east along Highway 64 between Blanco and Navajo Dam. A quick 1 inch of rain is likely with these storms, causing swift and high flows in area arroyos and low water crossings. Heavy rain will also impact Highway 511 near Durley and Navajo Dam, County Road 4800, and Highway 539. Locations impacted include Bloomfield, Aztec, Navajo Dam, Turley, Archuleta, and Navajo Lake State Park. Other locations affected include the following locations: Caracas Mesa Recreation Area, Negro Canyon Recreation Area, Simon Canyon Recreation Area, Navajo Dam, Hammond Point San Juan River Access, Pine Point River Access, and San Juan River Access. Repeating, a flood advisory has been issued until 12:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Mexico, Rio Arriba, and San Juan.
Stations up.